The law is in place, the rules are in place, it's governed by our Texas Insurance Board from our state of Texas, and they're in place so that they can amicably solve the problem, reach the right number, and reach the right repairs, whether it's for your home or car, and make that go away. It doesn't clutter up our courts, it doesn't clutter up your life, it enhances the repair, it speeds up the repair, it protects you, it's in your best interest, and I'm just so thankful to our legislators for getting this done for us, you know. 4 sessions it took, 8 years, but we got it to the end zone. And now you Texans, you get to benefit from this. So make sure you thank your legislators if you ever come across them for being sensitive to an area that matters to you or your family and in your lives. And it will at one point or another. That's why we have insurance, right? In case something happens. But when it happens, they need to perform like they said they would, okay? So stay tuned for a little more information in our next episode.